To start off today's video, I want to show you two pieces of copy. Same topic, same goal, completely different result. The first one. In today's fast paced digital landscape, businesses must leverage innovative strategies to remain competitive and drive sustainable growth. The second one. Most businesses are invisible online. Here's why and what we did about it. One of those was written by AI. One was written by what sounds like a human. You already know which is which. You may have felt it before you even finished reading. And that feeling, that instant recognition, is exactly what your customers feel when they read your copy. Here's the problem. Most business owners are using AI to write their marketing, their emails, their ads, and then wondering why nobody is responding. It's not because AI is bad. It's because they don't know how to make it sound like a human wrote it. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the 5 ways AI copy gives itself away and exactly how to fix every single one. Let's get into it. The first way AI copy gives itself away, it sounds too polished. And I know what you're thinking. Isn't polished a good thing? Not in copy. Not when polished means no rough edges, no personality, no mess. Because real humans don't write in perfectly balanced, symmetrical, magazine-ready sentences. Real humans write the way they talk, and the way people talk is a little messy. Here's what too polished looks like. It's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. Clean, balanced, completely forgettable. A human would say, hard work alone won't fix this. Done. Or this one. This system is effective, efficient, and highly impactful. AI loves doing this, repeating the same idea 3 different ways to sound thorough. A human would just say, this works. And then there's the structure. AI copy almost always comes out in a neat little packages. 3 sections, 3 bullets, every sentence roughly the same length. It looks organized, but it reads like a template, because it is one. Real copy has a messy list sometimes, a one-word sentence, a fragment, something that breaks the pattern on purpose, because that's what makes people stop and actually read. Here's the fix. After AI gives you a draft, read it out loud, actually vocally. Every sentence that sounds like it belongs in a brochure, cut it or break it. If 2 sentences are like the same length back to back, maybe you want to change one. If you used 3 adjectives in a row, just pick one, the best one. Delete the rest. Polished is oftentimes the enemy of persuasive. You got to remember that. The second way AI copy gives itself away, it wastes your reader's time. AI has a runway problem right now. It loves to warm up before it says anything. It clears its throat, it sets the scene, it gives you context you didn't ask for, and by the time it gets to the actual point, your reader is already gone. Here's what that actually looks like. In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses must adapt to remain competitive and meet the evolving needs of their customers. That sentence says absolutely nothing. It is filler dressed up as insight. A human would just say, things changed, here's what we're doing now. And it's not just the openings. AI does this throughout the whole piece with transition words. Furthermore, this approach improves outcomes. Additionally, it enhances efficiency. Moreover, teams report higher satisfaction. Read that back. It sounds like a college essay. A human would just say, do this first, then fix that. Then there are the forced analogies. AI loves reaching for a clever comparison to sound deep. Marketing is like planting seeds in a garden. No, stop. A human would just say, marketing takes time. Most people quit too early. That's it. That's the whole analogy. You don't need the garden. And my personal favorite, AI answering questions nobody asked. You ask it for 5 headline options. It gives you the headlines and then explains the psychological principles behind each one and offers 3 additional strategic considerations. Nobody asked. Just give me the headlines. Here's the fix. Find your first sentence that actually says something real. Delete everything before it. That's your new opening. Then go through the rest and ask, does this sentence move the reader forward, or is it just filling space? If it's filling space, it goes. Your reader's attention is the most valuable thing they can give you. Don't waste a word of it. The third way AI copy gives itself away. It says nothing specific. This one is sneaky because AI copy can sound impressive while saying almost nothing at all. Big words, broad statements, advice that technically applies to every business on earth, which means it actually helps none of them. Here's what that looks like. We leverage scalable solutions to optimize performance. What does that mean? What do you actually do? A human would say, we run ads, we track results, we kill what doesn't work. Now I know exactly what you do. Or this one, businesses should focus on delivering value to their customers. Okay, thanks. A human would say, we started texting leads within 5 minutes of them filling out a form, bookings doubled. That's specific, that's real, that's something I can actually use and do today. And then there are the numbers. AI avoids specific numbers like they're dangerous. Everything improved significantly, results were substantially better, growth was notable. A human says, we went from 12 leads to 37 in 2 weeks. That one number does more work than 3 paragraphs of AI copy. Here's why this happens. AI is trained on everything, which means it defaults to language that fits every industry, every audience, every situation. It's writing for the whole internet. You need to write for one specific person with one specific problem. Here's the fix. Every time AI gives you a vague claim, ask yourself, what's the actual example behind this? What's the real number? What specifically happened? Then put that in. Your own experience, your own results, your own client stories. That's the stuff AI can never generate. That's what makes copy land. Vague copy is forgettable copy. Specific copy is believable copy. The fourth way AI copy gives itself away, and this is the big one, it has no human in it. No opinions, no frustration, no humor, no edge, no limits, no reality, just smooth, safe, non-committal language that offends nobody and moves nobody. Here's what that looks like. This approach may be beneficial for some organizations depending on their specific circumstances and goals. I wouldn't do it that way. That's what a human says. A human has a point of view. A human is willing to be wrong. AI is typically not by default. AI hedges everything because it's trying to be right for everyone, and in doing so, it's useful to no one when you use the default settings and the default prompts. Then there's the advice with no limits. AI will tell you to post content daily across all platforms without mentioning that you have a team of 2 people and a budget of $500 a month. A human says, if you can do one thing, post 3 times a week and reply to every comment. That's it. Start there. That's real advice. That's advice with trade-offs. That's advice that actually helps someone. And then there's the emotion problem. AI describes difficult situations the way a doctor reads a chart. This situation can be challenging for many business owners. A human says, this drove me crazy. 3 words, more honest than 3 sentences. Think about the copy that has actually stopped you mid-scroll. The ad that made you think, wait, that's exactly what I'm dealing with. The email that felt like it was written specifically for you in that moment. None of that copy was safe. None of it was neutral. It had a point of view. It had a voice. It had a person visibly behind it. Here's the fix. Go back through your AI draft and find every place it hedges. Every may, every can be, every for some. Replace them with what you actually think. Then find every place it describes an emotion and replace it with the real emotion. Not, this can be frustrating. Say, this is frustrating. Own it. The copy that converts is the copy that sounds like a real person said it, because it does. And the 5th way AI copy gives itself away, the surface level tells. The things you see before you even read. These are the small things, the details. The ones that seem minor but immediately signal to your reader that a machine wrote this. The first one, the emojis. AI reaches for the same handful every single time. The sparkle, the rocket, the fire, the check mark. Saying this strategy will transform your business with a little sparkle. No, just say what it does. The emoji isn't adding excitement. It's kind of replacing it in a way. A human who's actually excited about something doesn't need a sparkle to prove it right afterwards. And it's oftentimes a telltale giveaway before anybody even reads your words. Second one, the over politeness. We sincerely appreciate your consideration and look forward to the possibility of connecting. Nobody talks like that. A human says, let me know if you want help. We're here for it. That's it. Warm, direct, real. Third one, and this is the one most people miss, contractions or the lack of them. AI defaults to do not instead of don't. It is instead of it's. You are instead of you're. It sounds subtle, but your brain registers it immediately as stiff and unnatural. Read your copy back, and if you find yourself saying do not, change it to don't every time, without exception. And then there's the word list. From 2025, now in 2026, there are specific words that have become so associated with AI writing that readers clock them instantly. Delve, seamless, cutting edge, unlock, navigate, pivotal, leverage, comprehensive. If any of these words are in your copy or anything alike, delete them. Not because they're the wrong words to use, sometimes they can be the perfect word, but because they're a fingerprint. They tell your reader a machine wrote this before they've even processed the sentence, because people's brains have that bias. They're looking for certain telltales before they even read the words. Here's the fix for all of these. After you get a draft from AI, do one final pass specifically looking for these tells. The stock emojis, the formal politeness, the do not instead of don't, the flagged words. This pass takes 5 minutes, if not less. It's the difference, though, between copy that reads like a human wrote it and copy that reads like a press release from a robot. Look, AI is not the problem. AI is genuinely one of the most powerful tools available to business owners and marketers right now. The problem is using it and then publishing the first draft without touching it. Because that first draft is written for everyone, and copy written for everyone converts no one. Your job, after AI does the heavy lifting, is to put the human back in it. Cut the runway, kill the vague claims, add the real numbers, say what you actually think, fix the tells. That's the whole process. AI writes the draft, you make it sound like you. If this was useful, share it with someone or in your team or in your network who's writing copy right now. And if you want to see how we're actually doing this with real clients and ourselves inside of a real marketing agency, subscribe to follow us for more videos like this. We're trying to release videos every single week.